Let's build a high-speed DeepSeek R1 agent in Python using Groq. Groq is a hosting platform that provides a fast AI inference, so we can use it to run even a larger version of DeepSeek R1 at a faster speed. To demonstrate using Groq to run DeepSeek R1 at a higher speed, we will create an AI agent using Agno. To get started, we should install Agno using this command. Next, we should install the Python library of Groq. Over here, we can install the Python library with pip install Groq. After performing all these steps, you can go to your favorite editor and start creating the agent. We are going to use Cursor. As you have noticed, I have added all these imports. So first, we create an agent in Agno using the agent class. So all we need is to specify the model we want to use. As you have seen here, we want to run DeepSeek R1 Disto Llama 70B using the Groq class. So we can find the model ID by going to the Groq website. So in our example, we are going to run this version. To make it clear to see the speed at which Groq runs the DeepSeek R1 model, we will first run a smaller version of DeepSeek R1 in LM Studio. You have noticed I have selected a smaller version of DeepSeek R1, so let's send it. Since this is a thinking model, it will take a while. The model will go through a very long chain of thought and different alternatives before computing the final result. So this will take like 2 to 5 minutes. So you have noticed here we have the final answer, but I have already cut the waiting time. That took about 2 minutes to generate this answer. Let's go back to the code in Cursor. Then we create a new playground app using the Agno's playground class. By creating a new playground and saving it, we will be able to run the agent in a beautiful UI. Before we run the agent, we need to authenticate the app with agno.com using this command agsetup. That will open my dashboard on agno.com. We run the agent on the local host at port 777. This is not activated yet. To activate the local host, we need to run the app. So let's go back to Cursor and run the app. You have noticed that was successful, and we have a link to open the app in the browser. So let's command click it. That brings us to the same Agno playground. But now you have noticed we have a green indication here. That means the local host is now activated. You have noticed here we also have information about the model. That is Groq DeepSeek R1 Disto Llama 70B. I will add the same prompt and send it. You have seen that was so fast, so we have the same answer. Even with this, we have a much larger version that is 70B, and the one we ran in LM Studio was just 8B. So this is how to build a high-speed DeepSeek R1 AI agent in Python using Groq.